The tresses of Shiva, the Shivalik range, the Ganga courses through till she reaches the Bay of Bengal. And the hull of the indomitable Indian naval ship Shivalik, the Eastern Fleet's frontline ship, mighty like mountains. Her motto, no limits. Built at India's premier shipyard, Mazagon Dock Limited, commissioned on the 29th of April 2010 under the command of then Captain M.D. Suresh, steering through the sea with the finest men at her helm. The first Indian stealth multi-role frigate. INS Shivalik is tasked with safeguarding India's maritime interests during peace and wartime.
All position FPCO, fire warning shot across the bows.
Optimally armed, INS Shivalik's weapons and sensor suites provided the combative edge in a multi-threat environment. An exemplar of Atmanirbhar Bharat, along with her stealthy sisters, Satpura and Sahyadri. 142.5 meter long from forecastle to stern. 17 meters at the beam. Over 6,000 tons displacement. INS Shivalik is the first Indian naval ship to be powered by 2 diesel engines and 2 gas turbines in a combined diesel or gas propulsion system, giving the ship a maximum speed in excess of 30 knots. Protecting the ship, deterring the enemy. The indigenously built 76 mm super rapid gun mount is used for surface and air engagements. At close quarters, the ship is defended by twin 30 mm AK-630, which has a high rate of fire. Still, surface-to-air missiles or SAMs can take down targets at standoff ranges.
Commencing launch sequence.
The Barak SAM can strike short-range aerial threats with pinpoint accuracy. The advanced surface-to-surface missiles can pulverize enemy targets at extended ranges. Underwater threats like submarines are neutralized by anti-submarine rocket launchers and torpedoes. Modern sensor arrays provide real-time data of developments. The surface surveillance radar provides detection of ships at extended ranges. Air surveillance radars, frigate and AMDR are well integrated into the ship's combat management system to provide all-round aerial surveillance. Hamsa, an indigenously developed sonar and an active towed array sonar, detects threats underwater.
Permission to carry out urgent attack on enemy submarine south.
Nothing stops a team with no limits. Constant vigil to tackle asymmetric threats at sea. Maintaining maritime domain awareness using onboard sensors. And a data stream from the onshore Maritime Operations Center. The ship has 2 integral helicopters and high-speed boats which aid in undertaking search and boarding operations. A marvel like Shivalik requires a highly trained and motivated team. Operating parameters are monitored in ship's control center. Ready for action at the onset of any eventuality. Fires are kept at bay with a keen eye and a state of high alert. A cheerful crew is a motivated crew. Housing 220 sailors and 35 officers, keeping the crew ship-shape, living up to the ship's motto, no limits. Testifying to Atmanirbhar Bharat, the frontline indigenous warship of the Eastern Fleet, also called the Sunrise Fleet, the INS Shivalik, can proudly shout its war cry. Seene mein hai dam, Shivalik hai hum. Ever ready to stand tall. Ever ready to meet new challenges. Proudly onwards with no limits.